Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for ClickUp easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register for ClickUp, first, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.clickup.com and press enter. Once the website loads, locate the Get Started button. Click on the Get Started button to proceed. You will be directed to the registration page. Here, you can choose to sign up using your Google account or by entering your email address. If you prefer using your email, enter it in the provided field. Next, create a strong password that meets the requirements shown on the page. After entering your email and password, click on the Sign Up button. A confirmation email will be sent to your inbox. Check your email for a confirmation message from ClickUp. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Once verified, you will be taken back to ClickUp to continue the setup process. You may be prompted to select a workspace name. Enter your desired workspace name in the provided field. Following this, you will have options to customize your workspace further. Choose your preferences and click Next to continue. Now, you can invite team members by entering their email addresses. If you don't want to invite anyone at this moment, simply click Skip. After this step, ClickUp will take you to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the interface and explore the features available. And that's it. You've successfully registered for ClickUp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.